Welcome to RedBuilt's Video Guides to Revit.
This video will discuss on how to add tags to our shop drawings. There are many different tag types, and under annotation, a few of them are created as a detail component. Most are tags by category, a multi-category tag, a symbol, and sometimes a structural component. The first one we'll do is the RB Bay tag, which is a detail component. First, we click on Detail Component, and then Type Selector. It shows the RB Bay tag is pre-selected. If you do the pull down, you'll notice there's many different types depending on what scale you're using. Also, there's the RB Axial Load tag, Framing by Other Symbols, Holding Partitions, Post Loads, Step, Slope, and Framing, Wall Load Symbol. And those are just a few. So in here we're doing an 1/8 inch scale drawing, so I'll pick the 1/96. When placing this, you highlight your first joist and click to start, then hit cancel a couple times to finish it. Next, you want to grab the other end of the arrow and pull it back to the last joist in your bay. Once you've done that and it's still selected, in the properties here, you have the bay type and tag quantity. So this is where we'll want to tag it with the joist name and how many they are. Once you're done, you can go ahead and move this as needed. Next, I'll show you how to tag by category. Under the Annotate, click on Tag by Category, and then in the Options bar, you can select to be horizontal or vertical. We'll select horizontal, and if you want a leader or not. And I'll leave this unchecked because we are going to select an LVL beam. And you just hover over the beam, and the beam tag will show up with the proper name. And click to place it. Hit escape a couple times, and you can select the tag and move it to where you want it located. Our next tag will also be, again, a tag by category, and we'll tag these hangers. So select tag by category, and if you want, here in the options, you can select leader. Now we select a free end. Here, then you can hover over the hanger until you see the tag show. Click to place the arrow, and then come out and a couple more clicks to place the landing. Once you're finished, a couple escapes, and you have your hanger tag. Now, in case you want one for details, you can get in tag by category. And this time, we'll deselect leader. Pick one of your hangers, hit escape, select your hanger, and then move it next to your detail. So this will call out the hanger type for this detail here. The next tag we will be doing is a multi-category tag. With this tag, you can tag multiple different types of objects. By clicking multi-category, here in the options bar, you again have the horizontal or vertical selection, and if you want a leader or not, and if it's free or attached. In our type selector, you'll see RB member type is selected first. This is when you want to tag a single joist or truss. And here you see it comes in horizontally. So if we come up to and switch to a vertical one and hover over the joist we want to tag, it becomes vertical. To place it, just click where you want to place it, hit escape, and then move the tag where you need it. The next multi-category tag we can do is in the type selector. You can come through and there's multiple description tag, bevel plate, the member tag that we just did, TV bracing, or cross bracing for open web. We'll select this one. In here, you float into where your cross bracing is. And here, we're going to want to make this horizontal and have a leader set for it. And we can leave it free end. When you hover over, you'll see that the tag comes in with a leader. Go ahead and select twice to place it. And escape a couple times. And your tag's placed. On the cross bracing tag, what shows up is the length that you've set for your object. So your cross bracing here under express brace length, you need to have that filled in with the inches of the brace length, and it'll fill out. If you do not, you'll get a blank with a question mark. Always make sure that your cross bracing has been set with the inches so it shows up. Next, we'll review some other tags that come under a symbol category. Coming to annotate and clicking symbol, you look in the options, it says ask for the number of leaders that you'd like to have. I'll select one for this example. In the type selector, there are multiple different types of symbols you can use. The arc jump, that is to use for your bay tag when jumping over a beam or a wall. The north arrow that you want to put on the plans. A detail tag for construction documents, and a standard plan note or keynote. This one will do the condoc one. In here, you can place anywhere you like, hit escape a couple times, then change the direction of your leader. While it's still selected, over in the properties, you put this construction document detail number that you're referring to, and then the sheet that it goes on. Or you can simply click in on the text to change it also. Next one, be a plan note, where you can select the plan note, and in the note number, you put in the number, the text, you place in whatever text you need here, and then the view type. And you have your keynote. There are two other special symbols that we have, mechanical unit and snowdrift. These are inserted through the structure tab, the structure component. By clicking structural component, you see that we have the mechanical unit symbol and the RB snowdrift symbol. The snowdrift symbol, bring in, and you can use the spacebar to rotate as needed, and click to place where you'd like to have it. By selecting it and going to the properties, you can select the depth and the length. changing this 5 feet and 7 feet, and it changes the magnitude and the length of this magnitude. Next one, we go to structure, component, is our mechanical symbol. And here you can place it anywhere you'd like. Hit escape, and then use the shape handles to change the shape of the unit and the shape of the openings.
Thank you for watching this video, and please come back to the RedBuilt CAD SharePoint for more information on OneNote, other Revit guides, and other YouTube videos, and also a link to 16 bugs for any issues you may have. Again, thank you.